20-year-old Michael J Woodard is currently a contestant on season 16 of American Idol. Michael is originally from Philadelphia, and currently lives in Los Angeles, where he works as a bowling alley attendant. Michael's mother Wanda first noticed Michael's singing ability when he was just 5 years old.
He was in the bathroom singing one day. He was 5 years old, and I kind of walked past the bathroom and I heard him sing. I said, "Oh my God, Michael could sing!" So I was like, "Oh my God."
Michael said that moment is pretty much when his music career started. "That's when I started to audition and stuff like that and venture out and see what God can do with my talent," said Michael. Michael was homeschooled and believes that prepared him for this moment. "It definitely taught me how to be independent and survive alone, because in an industry like this, you got to learn how to be by yourself," he said. Michael's music career began with him singing gospel at church, as well as events at school.
So believe in yourself right from the start. Believe in magic right there in your heart. Believe all these things, not because I told you to.
Michael continued to gain recognition for his singing talent. In 2010 he followed Gloria Estefan on stage, where he performed the national anthem at the 2010 U.S. Open opening night ceremony. Shortly after that, he was asked to perform at a rally for President Barack Obama in Philadelphia. American Idol actually isn't Michael's first singing competition. In 2012, when Michael was 14, he won a competition among 12 talented young singers called Majors and Minors. The competition aired on the Hub, part of the Disney Family Network. All of the singers were between 10 and 15 years old. It appeared even then, Michael possessed the same nervous energy that has endeared him to American Idol fans.
Out in the audience and the judges and... You good?
Yes, that's just the thing. That's just the thing.
Stay still, Michael. Michael, when do you move? On the O's. You move on the O's.
Sometimes I'm all over the place.
Yeah, sometimes.
Michael performed a cover of Closer for his winning finale performance on the show. Michael's cover of Closer was also featured as the lead track on a Majors and Minors compilation album. After the show, Michael continued to perform at local events. In 2014, he sang the national anthem at the Meredith 2nd Annual On the Run 5K.
Whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. Oh, the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
That same year, he also performed an original song called So Easy for a Community Appreciation Day, sponsored by Philadelphia City Councilman Kenyatta Johnson.
It's so easy to me, yeah, it's so easy to listen.
I don't wanna miss all the moments that we spent in your presence. So sweet, won't you stay with me? I want you to listen. I don't wanna miss a moment. I wanna stay. Is that okay? 'Cause you're everything. You make it so easy for me to love you. It's impossible to put someone above you. It's impossible. I can't express it how much I love you. It's so easy to say, it's so easy to make, 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 it's so easy.
Michael was also popular on Vine before the popular social media site was shuttered.
Hold on to me and never let go. I'll take you to places never seen before. And I wish I can say we've grown together, but we've grown apart.
The Musicians Institute's College of Contemporary Music announced Michael as the winner of the W. Crane Guy Memorial Vocal Scholarship for the fall of 2016. The prestigious award was presented to Michael based on his overall outstanding musicianship, strong vocal skills, and the potential for developing his own unique voice. Michael moved from Philadelphia to Los Angeles shortly after the announcement to study at the Musicians Institute. He is on a temporary leave of absence while he competes on the show, but he's still learning all he can. You can find more of Michael's music on SoundCloud or on his own YouTube channel. We will place a link to Michael's YouTube channel in the description below, but here are a few of our favorites in the meantime.
We live in cities we'll never see on screen. Not very pretty, but we so know how to run things. We live in ruins of our palace within our tombs. And you know, we're on each other's team. I'm trying to get my life to rewind, to get you back to the way it was. Trying to change the fact that you were someone else, guys. I love you, and I know that now. Won't put anyone else above you. Give me the chance to show you how. I must confess, I was a mess, and it took me a while to know where. It was a test to figure out you are the only one on my list. Say the words out loud. You know just how to hold a sucker down. So I'll see you in the morning.
I can't watch you walk out. I never needed you like I do right now. I never needed you like I do right now.
For his American Idol audition, Michael performed a soulful rendition of Make It Rain by Ed Sheeran.
Make it rain down, Lord. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain.
He got off to a nervous start, but his performance wowed all three judges, earning him a golden ticket and advancing him to the Hollywood Week round. For Hollywood Week, he joined 4 fellow contestants to form a group they named God's Diversity. They performed Clean Bandit's Rather Be, and had both the audience and all 3 judges on their feet, and Michael advanced to the next round. Judge Katy Perry tweeted after the show saying, "I'm absolutely in love with everything that is it." Michael J Woodard. For his solo performance, he performed Maybe This Time, from the musical Cabaret.
Something's bound to begin. What? It's gonna happen sometime.
Michael again had the judges out of their seats, and advanced to the showcase round of Hollywood Week. Michael performed You Oughta Know by Alanis Morissette for his showcase performance.
And I'm here to remind you of the mess you left when you went away. It's not fair to deny me.
The judges initially had some concerns about the song choice, but seemed pleased with Michael's performance, and he claimed the second spot in the top 24. Michael delivered a strong cover of Golden Slumbers by the Beatles for his top 24 solo performance.
So get back home. See, don't you?
After the performance, Judge Luke Bryan told him, 10 years from now, be that nervous, please, for me. Don't ever be so cool that you just can't, said Judge Luke Bryan. After making it through the audition process, Hollywood Week, and now the top 24, Michael found himself in the top 14. Michael said, it's not like I have terrible self-esteem or low confidence, but it's always a big thing when you make it past Hollywood Week. I'm not over that yet. Michael gave a powerful rendition of Believe in Yourself from The Wiz for his top 14 performance.
Believe all these things, not because I told you to. So you must believe in yourself.
During the results show the following day, Michael performed David Guetta featuring Sia's Titanium.
You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.
After the performance, Judge Katy Perry said, she is going to Coachella with Sia and will tell her that she met a star today that sang her song incredibly. Judge Luke Bryan said Michael has a knack for pulling us in, and that he has something that makes everyone love him more. Michael was one of the 6 contestants that America voted for, advancing him to the top 10. He appears to be one of the favorites on the show. Do you think Michael has what it takes to win American Idol? Let us know in the comments below, and thank you for watching.